Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from there, okay? So in today's lecture, we'll see how to navigate GA4 interface, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. So I'll be showing you for the GA4 demo website, I have created a video on how to access GA4 demo account. So if you haven't watched the video, please watch this video and create a demo shop. Okay. So if I hover over it, then we'll see four options are available here, like home, reports, explore, and advertising. So if I click on home, then we'll get to see the last 7 days data here. So in last 7 days, we got 16K users and their event count is 366K and they got 104K conversions and we got 12K new users, And uh, if I go to the right portion, then we can see in last 30 minutes, we got 95 users and you can see their countries. Okay. And if I scroll down a little bit, then you can see they have some suggestions for you. Event count, total user, event count per user, event value. So you can go through these options, and if I go to the report sections, then the first option we can see over here is report snapshot. So we can see we have last 28 days data over here. So if you want, you can customize the date from here. Okay, so in last 28 days, we got 66K users and in between them, 12K is new users and their average engagement time is 1 minute and 50 seconds and they have generated 113K revenue. So they have set up e-commerce tracking. That's why it is showing the value over here. So we'll show you how to set up e-commerce tracking gradually, and we can see the insights. So your insights will appear soon. You can see over here and new users by fast medium. So you can customize it, like if you want to see the source and medium, then you can click this options. Then you can see the Google CPC. So this is for the paid ads, and this is for the direct. Okay. So you can go through these options and customize it as per your requirements. And you can see over here, what are your top campaigns, and you can see the countries of the users from here. Okay, and the user activity over time, last 30 days, 7 days, 1 days. Okay, and you can see the returning user cohort analysis from here. Okay, and you can see view by page title and screen class. So homepage got the highest views, then apparel. Okay, men's shopping carts. So you can see over here, and you can see event count by event name. So view promotions got the highest event count, then page view user engagement. Okay, so what are your top conversions? So you can see the conversions over here, like page view, view item, first visit, view cart, purchases, and item purchased by item name. So you can see over here, this item got purchased most, and conversions by platform like web, app. So this sort of stuff you can see from report snapshots. And if I go to the real-time reports, then you will see the last 30 minutes data over here. Like in last 30 minutes, we got 93 users, and in between them 73.1% is desktop user, 23.7% is mobile user, and 3.2% is tablet user. Okay, and user by fast user source, you can Google direct. You can see over here event count by event name, view promotion. Okay, view promotion got the highest event count from here. Okay, so you can customize, or you can see those sort of stuffs from real-time overview. And if I go to the life cycle section, then we'll see 4 options available here, like acquisition, engagement, monetization, retention. So if I click on acquisition means which platform, from which platforms we are getting the data, the data source. So if I go to the traffic acquisition, then you can see over here session default channel group. So if I try to customize it, like I want to see the session campaign, which campaign is getting which amount of data. So direct is getting this sort of users, this amount of sessions is getting. Okay, engage session is 8,156. So you can go through these options and see all those data. And if I go to the engagement section, engagement means which sort of events they're doing. And if you can see from here, view promotion, page view, user engagement, stall. So you have to set up those events first. So I'll show you how to set up these events using GA4 e-commerce tracking. Okay. And then is monetization, whether they're purchasing something or not. So if I go to the e-commerce purchase section, then you will see the data: item viewed, item added to cart, item purchased. So yeah, I will also show you how to track e-commerce. So keep watching the series. Those videos will come gradually. And in the retention section, you can see how many returning users you are getting. So total user is 52K, and the time period is last 28 days, and in between them 15K is returning user. You can see over here. Okay, so user retention by cohort, user engagement by cohort, user retention, user engagement, lifetime value. And yeah, if I go to the user section, then you can see the reports of your demographics. So if I click on overview section, let's wait a little bit, then you can see the country of my users, in which country we are getting user. Like United States, we got the most user, then Canada, India, China. Okay, then users by town and city. So New York got the most user, Toronto, San Jose. And user gender, so we got most probably 28K users in last 28 days, and in between them 60% is male and 39% is female. Okay, and their interest is technology, this sort of interest they're interested in. So you can see the users ages, users by language. So from the demographic section, you can see those sort of data. And if I go to the tech section, then if I click on overview, then you will be able to see the technology data from here, like user platform, web 100%, then users by operating system like Android, Windows, iOS, Chrome, and users by device category, web desktop, web mobile, web tablet, then users by browsers, like Chrome got the highest amount of users, then Safari, Edge, and user by device category, like desktop got 48% visitors, mobile got almost 48, and tablet got 4%. And then you can see it by screen resolutions from here. Okay, so then the next option is called explore option. So in the explore options, we can create different type of reports. So we have free from, funnel exploration, path exploration. So I will create those reports. I'll show you how to create those reports in later videos. Keep watching the series. And next one is advertising. So in advertising, you can see the all channels data, model comparison, attribution modeling data from here. Okay, so I'll show you in later videos. Then there come the admin section. So from admin section, you can give the access of your account from here. You can rename your campaign from here, you know, and from the property, you can give the access as well. You can create data stream, you can create events, you can create conversions, you can create audiences. Okay, then you can add Google Analytics 4 with different channels like Google Ads, BigQuery. So yeah, I'll be discussing about them, and I will show you in practically how to do that in later videos. So hopefully you have understood how to navigate GA4 interface. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. Okay, you have a good day. Bye bye.